Hey everybody, thanks for coming back. My name is Steph and welcome to my beauty stash. Before we begin, make sure you click on the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified whenever I have a new video upload. And I have lots coming in the near future. Today's video is on my June Boxy Luxe unboxing. I was so excited to receive this month's box. It's the very first Boxy Luxe that I subscribed to, and I was so excited for some of the products that were in here. One in particular, which I can't wait to tell you guys about. Well, let's go ahead and get into it. First, let me just give you a brief description about what BoxyCharm is. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service. Every month, for $21, you get 5 full-size products. Some of these products are brands that you probably have heard of, and some of them you may not be too familiar with. They are always great quality products, and some of the things you didn't even know you needed. I have gotten so much great stuff from my BoxyCharm, and I've been subscribing to BoxyCharm for about a year now. Very happy with my subscription. Now, in today's June Boxy Luxe, the first item we're going to talk about is a travel blow dryer from the brand PYT. And this is what the blow dryer looks like. This is so cute. It's coral, it's the color of the year, and it's so lightweight. I used this blow dryer yesterday. I was able to blow dry my hair in 4.5 minutes. Granted, I do have fine, thin hair, and it's not too long, but still 4.5 minutes, pretty good for a little travel-sized blow dryer. Now, this blow dryer from PYT retails for $85. It claims to reduce drying time, lock in moisture, and reduce frizz, and I can attest to all of that because it did all three for me yesterday. Very happy with this. I'm even happier it comes with a Velcro cord holder. I wish all of my hair care products came with this. I don't know why they don't, but this is such a space saver, and it really helps my products not to get tangled up with each other. I'm really never one to blow dry my hair that often, but I can totally see myself using this, taking it with me on any trips that I have. It's just so lightweight, and man, this is easy to pack anywhere. So I'm really happy with this. I should also mention it does come with attachments. Can you believe that? Attachments comes with the the nozzle here to really help you straighten, get that sleek look in your hair. And it also comes with a mini diffuser. This is so cute. So these just all attach here to the end, and everything fits in your little travel bag here, drawstring bag. So very nice, very happy with this. Again, I did use this yesterday. I will have a video going up very soon on my channel showing you how I used all of these products. So so far, this box is a winner. The next product that I'm going to talk about is by one of my favorite brands, which is Tarte. This is the Be You Naturally eyeshadow palette, and this is what the outside looks like. Very cute. It does have the shade names in the back, and this is a very neutral palette. In here, you get 5 mattes and you get 5 shimmer shades. A very natural looking palette. I am wearing this palette today on my eyes, and I loved it. Have you ever smelled Tarte palettes? They smell like cocoa powder, and I believe it is made with cocoa powder, but it smells like chocolate. It just, it just smells like dessert. It makes me want to have a piece of chocolate, and I've never been disappointed with any of my Tarte eyeshadow palettes, and this is a great palette to just go on a getaway with. That's the theme of the box for the month of June. The Boxy Luxe box is getaway, and this can totally fit in a purse, in a travel carry-on bag, and this is great, easy to wear everyday eyeshadow palette. So this does retail for $36. You can find Tarte at Ulta, at Sephora, at Macy's, at QVC, and of course on Tarte's website. The next product that came in my June Boxy Luxe was another hair care item from a brand I have yet to try, and which a lot of you probably know, it's the Living Proof brand, and this product is the full thickening cream. It retails for $28. You do get 3.7 fluid ounces in here. I did use this yesterday. I was pleased with the results I got in my blow dry. Again, I used that PYT travel blow dryer along with this thickening cream to really help give my hair volume, and it did. I really like the way my hair turned out. You'll see me using this in an upcoming video very soon, and a great way for me to try Living Proof. I had never tried the brand before. Very happy with this. The next item is a cleanser from Dr. Brandt. This is the Clean Biotic Yogurt Cleanser. It does contain chlorophyll. I used this yesterday to take off my makeup. It worked out pretty well. I also used it this morning. Very happy. The fragrance is very minimal. It smells like soap. So, and that does not linger on the skin. You get 3.5 fluid ounces in here, and this does retail for $35. Again, you can get Dr. Brandt, I believe, at Sephora, at Ulta, so pretty much anywhere that they sell beauty items. So great way for me to try. I don't think I've tried anything from Dr. Brandt. Oh, maybe a facial mask, but I really did like this cleanser. I can see myself using it in the future. The next item in my Boxy Luxe is, I kind of said that like Kathleen Lights. I love Kathleen Lights. Y'all watch Kathleen Lights? I just love the way she says, my Boxy charm. Every time I get my Boxy charm, I always hear her in my head saying that. But the next one is from the brand Touch and Soul, and this is the No Poreblem Essence. I do have the No Poreblem primer. It's a very good primer, pore filling primer. Goes on really silky smooth on the skin. So this is something new, or at least it's new to me. I have not tried this essence before. Let me go ahead, and it's a very watery consistency, and it feels so hydrating on the skin. I really like that. No scent either. So if you're sensitive to fragrance, you don't have to worry about that. This does retail for $23. Touch and Soul is sold at Ulta and at Sephora. You do get 1 fluid ounce in here. And I just want to read the call outs real quick on this product. It says it's going to make your makeup stay in place pretty much all day. It's infused with Calendula officinals flower extract. This primer tightens your pores, and we all want that. Keeps your skin silky smooth. I have not tried this yet. I plan to try it tomorrow, and I will of course compile all my videos of all my try-ons of everything in this box and upload that to YouTube later on this week. So be on the lookout for my review or my first impressions on all these products. But I think I'm gonna like this. I like the No Poreblem primer, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a winner for me. The next item in here is a mascara from the brand Trestique. This mascara retails for $25, and it's a dual purpose mascara, meaning the mascara is on this side, and here is an eyelash curler. Okay, so right here it just says to flip down, and then this curls your lashes. So you put your eyelashes right here and you just press up. I am wearing the mascara today. I was really happy with it. I thought it gave me good lash separation. I do have length, so what I look for is a mascara that's really going to thicken and volumize my lashes. My length is there. I do have a natural curl to my lashes, so I don't really see myself using this. I do see myself using the mascara again. I like the wand. If you can see here, the wand is thin, and the formula dries really quick, which I like. So I was very happy with this. I don't like the size of it. This is pretty bulky, but I guess because it serves two purposes, that's why they made it in a bulkier packaging, but it's bigger than a traditional mascara. It's thicker and it's longer. So seeing as how I don't really curl my lashes, I probably wouldn't take this with me on vacation. It would take too much room in my little Ziploc bag. We're limited to the quart size. So I would take something smaller, more like a travel size mascara, but I'm definitely going to leave this here in my beauty room, and that way I can grab it during the week as I get ready for work and stuff and apply this. So was happy with it, liked the application, everything about it. The next item in my Boxy Luxe was from Skin&Co, and this is an illuminating, it's called the Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. Let me just go ahead and spray so you can see. It's a nice spray, very minimal fragrance. It dissipates really quickly. Let me go ahead and shake it. Just spritz a little bit on my face. It is so hot in the South Texas heat. I think it's probably 100 degrees outside. So anytime I get to have a facial mist, a facial refresher, I am all for it. Anything to cool off. This product does retail for $35. And I have two more items in here to talk about. This next product is the reason that I decided to upgrade my Boxy charm for the month of June and get the Boxy Luxe. This is the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow Serum. This product is something I have been wanting to try for a while. This product does retail for $58. Guys, the price of this box and all the contents I've shown you all so far was $50. So this alone is more than the price of the June Boxy Luxe. This is why I decided to upgrade, because if I was to buy this by itself, I'd be paying more and I wouldn't be getting any of the other items. I do want to say that I discovered Farmacy through a previous Boxy charm. I was able to get in one of my boxes the Green Clean Balm, the makeup removing balm, and I fell in love with it. It made me want to go out and try more products from the Farmacy line, which is clean at Sephora, and I'm so happy I did. I do want to do in the future a Farmacy dedicated video showing you guys the rest of the products I have, how I use them, but now I'm going to be able to include this in that upcoming video, and I'm so excited. I did try this on last night. It went on so well on my skin. I did wake up with my skin feeling very hydrated. It did have a nice soft glow to it, so I was really happy with it. This does have 1 fluid ounce in here. Again, retails for $58. It does say to use this 2 to 3 times per week, and then you can build up to more as your skin becomes tolerant. If you have sensitive skin, I would recommend that you start with one time a week. My skin is more tolerant. It's a little bit tough, so I'm able to use it 2 to 3 times per week, no problem. I plan to use it tomorrow night, so I'm gonna see again how this works, but this does help to exfoliate your skin overnight and just kind of rejuvenate those cells for that young, youthful, glowing complexion that we all so desperately want. It also says that it's supposed to reduce the look of pores, and that's exactly what I wanted to do. The last product in my June Boxy Luxe is from the brand Dominque Cosmetics. This is a brand that is new to me. I only have one item from her product line, and that is the Berries and Cream eyeshadow palette. I was very impressed, very happy with that eyeshadow palette, and I want to say I probably picked that up about a month ago. So I've only used it a handful of times, but it's solid. It's a great palette. So when I saw that I was getting something else from her line, I was super excited, and this is the Strawberry Lemonade lip gloss. I am wearing this right now. I do have a lipstick and a lip liner on, and I have this over top. This formula, I wore it yesterday as well. It looks really great with just a lip liner and then this over it. It wears so well. I ate and it was still there. It didn't get tacky, sticky. My lips didn't, stick together the way some glosses can. And it smells just as good as it looks, and it smells just as good as it wears. It reminds me of a sugar cookie. I love it. It's a very light color. Again, I would definitely just pair this with a lip liner and this, and you're good to go. That's exactly how I was wearing it yesterday, and I loved it. Oh, I love it. All right, now. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So all in all, guys, great finds in this box. The theme was getaway, and all these products are very travel friendly. Let's add up how much this entire box is worth. You can't beat that, guys. Again, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service. You pay $21 a month. You are able to upgrade from time to time when they do have, these Boxy Luxe aren't every month. I want to say they're every 3 months. So whenever you sign up for BoxyCharm, you'll be getting a regular box every month for $21 that includes 5 full-size products. But come those months when they do have the Boxy Luxe, all you have to do is do the quick upgrade online, and then you can secure your spot so that you're able to get the Boxy Luxe for $50. So that particular month you will pay $50 instead of the $21, but you're going to be getting a lot of products for a really great value. Just remember, BoxyCharm is a great way to try products that you might not have heard of, or maybe wouldn't even think to try. I know I've discovered a lot of great brands, a lot of great products. I've gotten a lot of great makeup brushes from my BoxyCharm. So I'm so happy with that subscription service. I'm so glad that I jumped on their bandwagon. And thank you all so much for watching my this is my second YouTube video, but my first like real actual sit down and talk to you guys video over my June Boxy Luxe. I'm happy to have you here as a subscriber. Make sure you click on that subscribe icon and make sure you click on the bell so that you're notified every time I do upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much. I'm new here on YouTube, so make sure you send lots of love my way, and hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you all are. See you all later, my friends. Bye-bye.